Select the correct answer from each drop-down menu. A phone company launches 2 new phone models at the same time. One of the models is economically priced and expected to see a steady increase in sales due to its availability in different colors. The other model is more expensive, but is expected to see sales pick up over time due to its efficient battery life. A projection of the number of phones in hundreds the company will sell in X weeks is shown below. And there's our 2 equations, and here is the picture. And then what we have to answer, which you can't see completely, let's see if I can move this a little bit, is based on these functions, it can be predicted that the number of battery efficient phones sold during the first 4 weeks will be blank the number of economically priced phones. So if I hit the right button here, what we're looking at is it's going to be lower than, greater than, or the same. And it's definitely not going to be the same. When we go back and look at this particular problem, the battery efficient phones are the blue graph. And that's the kind of curved graph, the exponential graph. The economically priced phones are the 3x plus 5. So what we can see based on the picture is that the blue graph is underneath the red graph, which means that it can be predicted that the battery efficient phones numbers being sold will be lower than the economically priced phones. Now the next part says the number of economically priced phones will be more than, let's see again, trying to move this here so you can see, the number of economically priced phones sold will be more than the number of battery efficient phones sold for at most blank weeks. Well, what I found to be helpful on this one is, we do have a good picture here, but if we go over to Desmos again, and I have them both turned off for a minute, but I have them typed in already. If we turn on the 3x plus 5, there's that. We turn on the 1.5x plus 3. What I'm looking for, and I'm going to move Desmos around here, we're looking for where do these graphs intersect, and that's going to be helpful. And where they intersect is somewhere over here. If I can really hit it, it's 8.05. So if we go back to the problem here, the number of economically priced phones sold will be more than the number of battery efficient phones sold for at most 8 weeks.